Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable touch screen on your Windows 10 PC. For this, I will use two methods and you can use either. First one method is through device manager. For this, click on this or this one search icon, then type device manager. Then click on this one device manager option to open device manager on your Windows 10 PC. Then double click on this one human interface devices. Then select this one HID compliant touchscreen option. Right click on this one option. Select disable device option. Click yes. This will disable touchscreen on your Windows 10 PC. And in case you want to enable it again, right click, select enable device option. This will enable touch screen on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through registry editor. For this, click on this one start button, type registry and then click on registry editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Here all you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description and then press enter on the keyboard. It will take you up to touch key in the left sidebar. On the right, you need to create a registry word. For that, right click on this one free space, select new and then choose this one option dword 32-bit value. Name it touch gate. Click outside, double click on touch gate. Set here value data to 0 to disable touch screen and you can set value data 1 to enable touch screen on your Windows 10 PC. After that, click on this one OK button, close the registry editor and restart your PC once to apply the changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.